Hi, it's me again. In this video, we're gonna explore our data, um, visualize dimensions, plot class balance, and we're gonna make sure our data is ready for training. Note that we are already relying on a great tool, which is the data health tool on RoboFlow here for us. Uh, in terms of data and annotation, validation, class balance, and so on. So here we try to download the script, which is publicly available on GitHub. The script the script output consists of two parts. The first one is image dimensions, and the second one is annotation. So the output is basically a text string output. And then we're gonna use AST to parse the output and convert it to a data frame for visualization. So if it is the first time you are downloading the getDimensions.py, so there's no need to remove the file because it doesn't exist. You're gonna see this error after executing this block. So to ensure that you are downloading the latest version of the script, the getDimensions.py file, then remove it first, then download the latest version from GitHub using the wget command and the link provided. So after downloading the script, we execute it using the following command. To visualize image dimensions. So we define a variable called so let's comment this. This block get raw output from getDimensions.py using getDimensions.py. So we define the variable hwp output equals then Python getDimensions.py, and we specify the input, our current directory, and the dataset, birds OD, and then execute the script. It's gonna take some time to finish processing, and then we parse the output and convert it to a list of coordinate tuples, a tuple of or a list of tuples containing the dimensions. So HW underscore pairs, we use the AST library. It's a literal eval, ast.literal eval, HWP output, the first element 0, which is the dimensions. Basically, HW pairs mean heights and widths. And after that, convert the list to a data frame. We define a new variable called df underscore hw pairs. It's a data frame which takes as arguments the hw underscore pairs list, and we define the columns, which will be basically the height and the width. So I think the width comes first and the height comes after. And try to visualize this or print or describe the data frame we've just created, and round the values to two. And we use this script to plot the dimensions. Basically, all the images have the same resolution, 640 pixels, and annotations here the same way. We get the annotations, the annotation counts, and finally we plot the annotation counts here using and we use here the Seaborn bar plot to plot the class balance. And finally, there is a typo here, I think. Okay, set X labels. Okay, here we go. So everything I think is okay. Everything is ready, set up and ready for the next step, which is training.